Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to record a video call in Messenger. All right. For example, here, I'm going to call my wife right here. All right. And then tap on call. The video process will go on. All right. Now to record, if you're lucky enough, your phone have a built-in recording software. Just go ahead and use that. All right. Now, if your phone doesn't have a built-in screen recorder, go ahead and open up your Play Store. All right. Then tap on search. Go ahead and look for recorder. All right. And once you're in here, just go ahead and pick up whichever recorder you like. All right. Just for example, I just installed this one right here. So I'm going to go ahead and open up this one. All right. As you can see here, we have the recorder opened. So I'm just going to go ahead and tap on this icon right here, the blue icon, whenever I wanted to start the recording. For example, I'm going to open up my Messenger right here. All right. Let's say, for example, that the call is going on. Just go ahead and tap on record. Tap. The screen recorder will start capturing everything displayed on your screen. Just go ahead and start now, and it will start the recording. As you can see here, I'm just scrolling through here, and the recorder should be running right now. And as you can see, to stop, just go ahead and click on stop. All right, and you'll be able to see your video right here. And when you play it, as you can see, you can view this as well on your file manager. Just go ahead and open up your file manager. And as you can see, our screen recording is here as well. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.